Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the sewing machine, the pfaff 1245 sewing machine, from the entire table. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the knee lift. And I have it already lubed up, so it's good to lube your knee lift every once in a while. Okay, now watch this. You can tilt it back like so. When I do that, look at the belt loop. Okay, I'm just going to come here and I just popped it out. That's it. Okay, now all I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove it from the table. Okay. Before you do any of this, just make sure that it's unplugged. Okay. Move it back. And lift it out. There we go. And lift it out. That is how you remove it. Put it back. Same thing, just in reverse. Back in the table. Loop that on. Tilt it back. All the way back. Just like that. Put the knee lift in. Make sure it works. Plug it in. And you're ready to go. That is how you remove and put back the pfaff 1245 sewing machine.